माझ महला तीजा शब्द मरै समूआ जापै काल न जापै दुख न संतापै ज्योति विच मिल ज्योत समाणी सुन मन सच समावणिया. One who dies in the word of Shabad is truly dead. The person who completely surrenders identity to the Guru's word through Guru's guidance appears like a dead person without any worldly consciousness or activities, but with such a dedicated adherence to Guru's word, such person is above all pain and suffering, unaffected by the yama of death. Even as a result, his spirit mingles with that of Vaheguru, thus merging with God completely. When one hears and merges in the truth, one's light merges and is absorbed into the light of Vaheguru. Haun wari jiyo wari har ke nae shobha pavaniya Satgur sev sach chit laya Gurmati sahaj samavaniya rahau. I am forever sacrificed and my soul is sacrificed to Vaheguru's name, which brings us the glory. One who serves the true Guru and focuses consciousness on truth, following Guru's teachings, is absorbed in state of equipoise. Pause. काया कच्ची कच्चा चीर हंडाए दूजे लागे महल ना पाए अन दिन जल दी फिरे दिन राती बिन पिर बहुत दुख पावणिया. This human body is transitory. Even mind in this frail body is equally transient. All conducts are based on transient features as body and caste, which are perishable. Attached to duality, no one attains the mention of Vaheguru's presence. The soul bride suffers in terrible pain night and day, burning without her beloved husband God. देही जात ना आगे जाए जिथे लेखा मंगिए तिथे छुटे सच कमाए सतगुर सेवन से तनवंते एथे ओथे नाम समावणिया. One's body and status does not go to the world hereafter. There is no credit for one's body, caste, status in Vaheguru's presence, as one leaves behind all these transient features at the time of death. So when one is called to answer for one's account, one is emancipated only when one shows the true actions of remembering true name. Those who are in service of true Guru prosper here and hereafter. They are absorbed in the Naam. Pay paaye shingar banaye गुर प्रसादी महल कर पाए अनदिन सदा रवै दिन राती मजीठे रंग बनावणिया. Guru-minded people who adorn themselves and embellish all the ornaments of love and fear of God, by Guru's grace they obtain the mention of Vaheguru's presence in their inner self. Night and day Day and night they are constantly ravishing and enjoying their beloved Vaheguru, dyed in permanent color of his love. सबना पिर वसै सदा नाले गुर प्रसादे को नदर निहाले मेरा प्रभु अत ऊंचो ऊंचा कर कृपा आप मिलावड़िया. Vaheguru resides with everyone always, but how rare are those few who by Guru's grace obtain his glass of grace. My Vaheguru is the highest of high. Granting his grace, he merges us into himself. Maya moha eho jag sutta नाम विसार अंत विगुता जिसते सुता सो जागाए गुरुमत सोजी पावणिया. This world is asleep in emotional attachment to worldly falsehood, Maya, forgetting the name of Vaheguru, it ultimately is destroyed. The true master under whose spell the human being is lying distracted and separated from Vaheguru, only under the will of that God one can gain consciousness and awakening from this slumber through Guru's guidance. अपयो पियसो परम गवाए गुरु प्रसाद मुकत गत पाए भगति रत्ता सदा बैरागी आप मार मिलावणिया. All the delusions and doubts are eliminated for the one who drinks in the ambrosial nectar of Nam. By Guru's grace, the state of liberation is obtained. One who is imbued with devotion to Vaheguru remains always balanced and detached, subduing selfishness and conceit. Such a person merges with Vaheguru. आप उपाधे तंदे लाए लाख 84 रिजक आप अपड़ाए नानक नाम त्याए सच राते जो तिस पावे सो कार करावणिया. Vaheguru himself creates and he himself assigns all the tasks. He himself gives sustenance to 8.4 million species of beings. O Nanak, who remember the true Naam are forever immersed in truth. They do that which is pleasing to Vaheguru's will.